We've perched ourselves here on what we call Picnic Rock. I don't think that's its official name. And this is our view for breakfast before getting on a boat. And we have noticed about half a dozen seals down here in this cove down here. And there's rabbits and puffins all along the bottom here. I can't remember if I mentioned, but there is a burrow off. So this is the original AirBnB. The rabbits create the burrows, and then the puffins come in and kick the rabbits out. And they use the burrows until the pufflings fledge, and then the Manx shearwaters come in and kick the puffins out, and they occupy the burrows until they fledge. And then when they've gone, the rabbits pop back into the burrows and reoccupy them until next year when it all happens again.